Hello guys, welcome back. Sorry, I'm very busy nowadays, so I cannot make that many videos. This is my favorite road, just put it in retro and relax and enjoy the view. Yeah, on the flowers and on the tunnel. So the view looks good, man. So what is going on? It's been a long time since I made a video. So I thought maybe today I will make a video. Don't know about the error code. This is for the KOS and the stabilizer. If I turn off and turn on, it will go. So as you can see, I'm in Cornish. The view is amazing today, as usual. I don't know how much you can guys see it. I will talk to you after the signal. If you don't know the fun fact why this road is red, because in summertime the road gets very warm. It crosses 100 degrees, so even tires start melting on the road. You can say it basically. The tire life is very short on the normal road, so they painted red and they painted green, bluish. I will show you the bluish road also today. And so the bluish temperature was very less. It was around 50-55, I think so. So this is a fun fact about the red road. Why did they did the red road on turn green? And I think you can see the Qatar National Day decoration is started. So it's on 18th December. Today is 10th, I think. So they started putting flags and they will decorate the whole Cornish, almost 7 kilometers. So whole fireworks and the parade will go on. I don't think so parade will do this year. So only the fireworks we will see it compared like last year. See on the trees, on the, it's like a Christmas but for National Day. No, we don't celebrate Christmas here. And so you can see the flag on the pole also. It looks good, man. It looks very good. It looks amazing. The building. Here's our skyline. Basically, you can say it like that. But I will show you the skyline video also. I never went there, right? So yeah. Too many signals today. Wow, man. The decoration looks nice. Even on the cars they do it. See, like here they put the flags. Everywhere will be like a white red light. Even on the boats they will start putting on the National Day. And then construction is going on, so they put the barrier here. Man, this bike is louder. So here's a Postra where normally we people sit, but since the corona is closed, here's the flag. That looks good, man. Looks good. Looks amazing. Let's see what flagish. Oh yeah, it's completely full. Today is Friday, so weekend. So he was my friend, so I stopped for 3 minutes to just say hello to him. My favorite view. You can see the whole skyline view. Man, the whole skyline, you can see it from there. morning is so goddamn good. So I'm sorry I'm not uploading that much because I'm really busy with my work. I have a lot of videos, I have a lot of content, just need to edit it. I need an editor, to be honest. I don't have time to edit at all, so I write a lot, but whenever I write, I try to record it and capture some good moments, you know. But the problem is, I don't have the time to upload, edit and upload. So that's what I'm struggling at. But today is weekend, so hopefully I upload this video today by itself within an hour or two. So yeah, you will watch this video, and there is a small update. So by next week or by the way, I bought new RSV4. I sold my 2014 RSV4 and I bought the 2016 RSV4 RR, not the RF, because I was trying to find it, but I could not get the RF model, so I got the RR. I will convert it, you know, the RR into RF. Only I need to get the oil suspension and the forged wheels. That's the difference. The motor is completely same, exact same, so nothing changed as from in motor. So and even a little bit chassis change, but of course it's minor, you will not feel it. So I think the RR was better choice. I got very good deal on the RR, and the mileage was very low, and the bike was very maintained. It was super duper maintained, so I could not let the RR go from my hand. So that's why I bought the RR, but it got upgraded fairing to look like a RF, but it's not RF, it's RR. Don't worry, I will convert it to RF, and it's going to be faster than RF for sure. And soon I will make the video about that bike also. And what's up? And fully stay tuned. You will see the new video on the new 10R and my thoughts about that bike. So this was a small video, small update. What is going on? Why I'm not uploading that much? Yeah, almost working almost 10 hours, and after 10 hours, you know, I have a stammer to go edit it. So I normally come around about 8 or 9 o'clock, and then you know I have to sleep to wake up in the morning early. So yeah, so I will see you on the next one. Peace out, take care and ride safe. Yeah, a lot of stupid outside nowadays, and I will see you on the